Hello friends, and welcome to this new course. First of all, let me express my apology for being idle for some time because I was busy launching my second Android application to Play Store. Right now I have finished that project, so I have spare time to spend with you, my dear friends, my dear viewers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you do like these videos, please hit the like buttons and hit the notification bell so you could get the latest from my channel. Now, I noticed that most of the viewers to my channel, they focus on two subjects: the database and the security of the connection between the application and the database, and also the security of the database itself. So in this course, I brought these two fields, these two subjects in one course: the database and the security. These are the topics that we will talk in this course. Okay, there are 5 topics: the field hashing, the DIA connection, security socket itself, secure storage, and cover screen. Now let's start giving some idea about these fields before we start our course. The field hashing: whenever you wish to hash any field, a password or any field, usually use some encryption. Then we send this encrypted field to the database, we persist it in the database, and then we want to use it back, we decrypt that field, and then we can use it. For instance, when a user wishes to log in, when a user wishes to register an account, you take all the data of the registration, and one of them is the most important, is the password. You hash this password and you send it with the other data to the database. You persist all these days. Next time when the user wishes to log into his or her account, we need to take this hashed password, retrieve it from the database, decode it, and then so that the user can log into his or her account. So this is the first topic. The second topic is the DIO connection with security. Now you remember in my course, the Flutter database, in that course we use when we created the connection, we use the model class to create a connection between the application and the database. And I told you at that time that someday we will use the Dio API to create the connection. This day has come, and hopefully in this course we will talk about and we will see how we can create the Dio connection with using the Dio. Now, as I have said in that course, the Dio API is a very powerful API, not only because it can create a connection, but for 2 reasons also. First of all, you can have a very good manipulation over your connection, because the Dio API can give you more variables where you can add to the connection, so you can control it better. Okay. And for the second reason is there is also some features of security features which you can add to the connection. So this is what I'm talking about. First of all, so for the hashing we will use this, and then we will talk about the DIO. Now for the DIO, we can create a DIO instance, and then we can use some headers, how we can create the headers, receive the data, send the data, the interceptors, how we can create the interceptors also, and then also we can create how to create the tokens, the security tokens, which is a very important one also. Posting HTTP, getting HTTP, and also the headers. So all these options we will talk about when we will talk about how to create a DIO connection with the security. Now the third topic we will talk is that how we will create a secure socket for this connection between the device and the server. How we can create a secure socket, SSL socket, between these 2 devices, which is the device of the user and the server. So how we create the security configuration, and how we can create a secure socket between these 2 devices: your device, your mobile phone, your laptop or whatever, and the server. Okay, so this is the third topic that we will talk. The fourth topic is that how we can create a secure storage, which is I believe maybe some of you know how to create a secure storage. This security storage usually is not something which is very needed in any application, but it is something, it's okay if you can do it. These two topics are not that much affecting the security of your application, because this is, let me say that these two topics like an extras on your application. The secure storage, maybe the user wish to save some personal data in that secure storage. Maybe you as the developer of the application, maybe you wish to use some secure storage, some secure data in your application that will you run it in the production phase. That could be done also. Again, it's not very affecting the security of your application and the connection of your application with the server. Now the last topic is when you cover a screen, how to cover a screen. I believe some of you also know how to cover the screen. Some of the applications deals with sensitive data. Usually when you send the application into the background, the page or the route which showing some sensitive data, when you send your application into the background, this page will not be destroyed, so any user who can send back the application from the background to the main screen can see these sensitive data. So usually we create a cover on that screen. Only the user, the authenticated user, can see these sensitive data. Okay, so these are the 4 topics that we will talk about in this course. Hopefully that you get some benefit of it, and from next video we will start one by one, topic by topic. Okay, now again, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you do like my videos, please hit the like button as a support from you to me, and hit the notification bell so you can get the latest videos from my channel. Thank you very much.